The 2005 Chevrolet Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, CD player, trip computer, fog lights, tachometer, leather, sunroof, front reading lamps, power driver's seat, front bucket seats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.